Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Giggle Grow. Today we are going on a fun and yummy adventure in the kitchen. We will learn some cool cooking action words. Are you ready? Let's cook and learn together. Boil, pour, slice, bake, grill, fry, peel, simmer, mix. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.